All right, so after your house has been flooded, there are a lot of questions that come up about what can I do, how much can I restore, what can I change, and one of the things that's not thought about is what we call a FEMA rule. And FEMA has a rule that you can't spend more than 50% of the value of your house during the reconstruction after your flood event. So although you can move things around and change the location of walls and maybe open spaces up, you do need to consider the budget, because that is going to be turned into FEMA, and they do have a cap on the amount that they'll let you spend. Usually you can go back and put everything back in the way that it was, but as you change things and do more renovations like taking out walls, relocating kitchens, that may get into that bumping up against that FEMA rule. So that's something that's very important to think about in the design phase after your flood. For more information, go to tampakitchenandbath.com.